Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming recovery options. Make sure your recovery phone number and recovery email are up to date. Once done, pick the device you normally use to sign into Google. This reduces friction. Now, go to Accounts. Google. Com and open Security, then Identity Verification. Follow prompts to re-enter your password and allow a verification prompt or code to be sent to your recovery contact. This first sequence ensures Google can match your proof to known patterns and devices. Next, you choose a verification method. Select text message, phone call, authenticator app, or backup codes based on what you have. If you use Google Authenticator, open the app and type the 6-digit code into the prompt. Codes refresh every 30 seconds, so act quickly. If Google asks for a photo ID or a selfie, follow the on-screen framing guidance, good lighting, and a plain background speed validation. These steps prove ownership beyond a password. Finally, confirm verification succeeded and review security settings. Turn on two-step verification and save backup codes. If verification fails, try simple fixes. Use an incognito window, a different trusted device, or request fresh codes. Sometimes clearing cookies helps. Make sure time and time zone on your device are accurate because wrong clock causes code mismatch. If nothing works, wait for the automated review window of 24 to 72 hours or use Google's account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.